Fine, sir. Complete? Okay, sir. Sir, Dheeraj Kumar Meena. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think so. I think so. I. No, sir. I have full faith that I will qualify this time. Sir, it's from that faith, the confidence is there that I will qualify. Not that religious faith, but the thing that I will qualify, the confidence. Okay, sir. I have used wrong word. Sorry, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, my father is a retired teacher, and my mother is a housewife, and my brother is in. So the option is not available on that in deaf filling. Okay, sir. Sir, actually, she performs all the non-remunerative functions in the household. So she carries all the duties that is required to carry out the household. Positive. Yes, sir. So actually, the housewife is called only because of the wife of the householder. So we are using now. Yes, sir. Well, well. So I have four siblings. So my elder brother is in Rajasthan Armed Constable Police Force, and my sister is in civil engineering, and my two younger sisters, they are pursuing B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. Yes, sir. Sir, I have lost both my grandparents in the small age of my small age in 1995. Sir, my district name is Dholpur, and sir, it is the smallest district in Rajasthan state, and it is situated at the tri-junction of three states in the Rajasthan, UP, and MP. And sir, the main occupation of district, Dholpur district, is agriculture, and other than that, sand mining and sandstone mining and crushing industry is there. And the area is sir, in history, one famous freedom incident is there in the freedom struggle movement. An incident was there, Tasima Goli Kand, where the freedom fighters they stand in front of the Mughal British forces. Sir, in 1945. And so political relevance, sir, are Rajasthan's ex-chief minister Vasundhara Raje is from Dholpur district. Sir, now MP of Dholpur and Karoli, both combined district, is Manoj Rajoria, Dr. Manoj Rajoria, and the MLA of Badi, Maid Tehsil, is Giriraj Singh Malinga, and so from Congress party. Sir, if we see the indicators, then they are somewhat changing trends. And on overall performance, we could say that yes, they are performing well. But the global situation is also in the economic recession is going on. So our country is performing comparatively well from other countries. Rajasthan. Sir, okay, sir. Sir, okay, sir. Sir, on various indicators, our district and our state is going well. On health and the indicators of population control also going well. And on law and order situation, the recent National Crime Record Bureau data shows that the law and order situation is going well, going upward. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So first of all, the climatic conditions varies across both the districts. Sir, in Dholpur, the extreme situations of the summer is there because of the sandstone availability in Dholpur. So the temperature goes up to 48 degrees sometimes in winter, in summer. And in Jharkhand, that is Dhanbad district, the overall weather conditions is quite on moderate conditions, 25 or 27 degree temperature, and the moisture is available. Humidity is very much in Jharkhand. And the economic occupation, yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall the name. So cloud computing is the provision of services through the internet without using multiple times the hard memories, that is hard disk or some server is used. At the remote location, one server is located and you are provided with the storage facilities and the processing facilities, software and the applications are provided on that server only. Yes, sir. Sir, it is defined on the criteria of computational speed. Sir, sir, a benchmark is decided. I think I am not unable to recall the exact name. Lipmark benchmark is there, I think, but I am not unable to recall. Sir, around 1 petaflop. Yes, sir. So recently, Japanese supercomputer Fugaku has been named number one fastest computer. Sir, it's around 400 petaflops. I don't remember the exact. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I write poems. Okay, sir. Sir, actually, I write on topics like social issues, and I have written recently one poem on observation based on my village. So various evil practices are there going on in my village. So, with relating to the God, I have started like दर पर खड़ा बंदा तेरे क्यों मौन लिया अपनाए या मुराद मुकम्मल होगी तभी जब ये जोर जोर चिल्लाए ये अखियाँ तरसे राह को दिल भटके अपनी चाह को फैला दे तेरा आसियाना क्यों दामन तेरा अब सिकुड़ाए शिक्षा फैली चहु दिशा क्यों जातिवाद गहराए इतिहास गवाह है दबाव का इसके फूल अब भी मुरझाए. Yes, sir. Sir, poem are written by any person. So actually it is not a, we say anger, it is a reformative action I want to take in the society. Sir, indirectly I am helping the society because if law and order situation is well maintained and the areas nearby the borders are secured, then the country can be prosper economically. Sir, I could help indirectly. Sir, if I am able to handle the law and order situation well, then the country will, the other persons who is handling the societal. Sorry, sir, recently. Now I am not unable to recall any name. Yes, sir. Sir, he has represented Hindi poems on global stage. Actually, he is not, actually, if we consider the literary tradition, then he is not much known as a literary poet. But on a stage poet, he is considered one of the most famous personalities among the poem.
It is said nowadays after Bhari Singh Dinkar and Bachchan,
Yes, sir.
Bhavan Sai Bachchan, this is the poet who has made Hindi poems popular.
Yes, sir.
So can we make him at the same stage of Bhavan Sai Bachchan and Bhari Singh Dinkar?
Sir, they both belong to different periods. Sir, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, he belongs in the era of 1920s, 1940s and 50s, 60s. And Dushyant Kumar, later he came in the 1970s and he is known as people's poet. And now Kumar Vishwas have represented in the modern times. So, because,
Romantic poet.
yes sir?
He is a romantic type of poet.
Sir, in his creation, his own creation, he is writing romantic poems. Srangar Ras he is writing. But he is taking the other poets Hindi poem on stage as well because he is.
Without election also.
Yes, sir.
So any other Kavi you know without election and became political, and still we are making in the line of Dinkar and Bhavan Sai Bachchan.
Sir, in the past, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar was a Rajya Sabha member.
So whom give me one word your judgment out of these three, out of these four, Dushyant, Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, Bachchan and Kumar Vishwas,
Yes, sir.
whom you will give the weightage?
Sir, actually,
That will show your interest, and then I can decide whether your poems are revolutionary or not.
okay, sir. Sir, all these are different time poets.
Now you are becoming diplomatic. Okay.
No, sir. Sir.
आपको क्या लगता है आपके पॉइंट की जो जो बातें डेफिनेशन क्या आती है मुझे लगता है कि मंदिर मस्जिद में जितने भी स्पीकर लगे हुए हैं उन सभी को बंद कर देना चाहिए
Sir, some religious practice, our constitution is providing religious freedom, and there are some practices which are ingrained in the religious practices. So, if I consider my opinion, then any of the practices that is ingrained in religion, if that is not hurting the sentiments of other society or other peoples different than that religion, then they can be carried on.
के भी एडवांस जो है कि स्टूडेंट आप हैं
Yes, sir.
अब बता देंगे रात में 12 बजे एक मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी में 12 बजे की रात में एक मुहर्रम जब होता है तो
Yes, sir.
रात भर होता है या फिर हिंदुओं में जब जगराता वगैरह होता है तो रात भर लाउड स्पीकर बजाया जाता है
Yes, sir.
मान लीजिए आपका कल इंटरव्यू है और आज रात में आपके घर के बगल में ही एक जगराता हो रहा है या फिर मस्जिद है उसमें हो रहा है तो फिर आप क्या कहेंगे कैसे फेस करेंगे इसको आप
Sir, actually, our law and order, the Supreme Court decision also has provided that the loudspeaker should not be allowed after 10 p.m. So, the student, since he also belongs to some community and he also practices in his personal life, so he has to, for the multidimensional character of our society, we have to handle all these situations.
मीना कम्युनिटी को आप राजस्थान में कहाँ पे देखते हैं
Sir,
फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन
okay, sir.
कैसी है वहाँ पे
Sir, if we compare other ST communities, scheduled tribe communities, then Meena has grown up from comparatively to others. But if we consider overall community situation, where we consider all the caste and all the communities, then somehow still they require some developments to be able to progress on the current development scenarios.
बट कई जगह देखने को मिलता है कि मीना कम्युनिटी जो है वो जनरल कैटेगरी से भी काफ़ी ऊपर है तो आपको नहीं लगता कि मीना कैटेगरी को इससे हटा देना चाहिए रिजर्वेशन को
So actually we have seen that Meena community has been competing in the competitive exams. Recently in RAS exam also the cutoff has gone higher than other communities. But if we see the conditions in the area where the Meena belongs, in the southeastern parts of Rajasthan and the eastern parts of Rajasthan,
So right to